When I first started looking for a water filter, I felt like I was navigating a murky swamp of confusing options. But then I found the ZeroWater official 5-stage water filter for replacement. And it was like a lighthouse guiding me to clear, clean water. This 6-pack of filters is a real game changer. It promises a lot, and it definitely delivers. Furthermore, it tackles more than just basic impurities. In addition, it significantly reduces lead. It also removes other heavy metals. What's more, it even filters out PFOA, PFOS. This means my family and I are drinking much safer water. Moreover, knowing it's NSF certified gives me great peace of mind. Therefore, I highly recommend this filter. Using the ZeroWater official 5-stage water filter for replacement is incredibly simple. Changing the filter is a breeze. It fits perfectly into my ZeroWater pitcher. The difference in taste is immediate. Our tap water used to have a strange aftertaste, but now it's incredibly crisp. It's like the water has been given a fresh start. Consequently, everyone in my household drinks more water now. Also, I use it for cooking and making coffee. As a result, even my recipes taste better. Truly, this filter makes a noticeable difference. On the whole, it's a small investment. However, the benefits are huge. Overall, the ZeroWater official 5-stage water filter for replacement is an outstanding product. It's not just a filter. It's a guardian for your health. While other filters might offer some purification, this one goes the extra mile. It's like having a tiny, powerful water treatment plant right in your home. Moreover, buying the 6-pack means I'm set for a while. This also saves me trips to the store. Finally, if you're serious about clean, great tasting water, this is the filter for you. It's a clear winner. For this reason, I'm a very satisfied customer. Pros: keep OEM quality, remove tap water solids, brings TDS to 0 every time. Water tastes noticeably cleaner, certified to reduce lead, chromium, PFAs. Bulk pack offers better value, helps cut down on plastic bottle use, reduces heavy metals. And PFOA, PFOS, great for coffee. New sealed design, filter lasts several months, secures easily, and does not leak. Water taste is neutral, great for tea, saves money versus bottled water. Cons: filter life depends on local water. Filter lasted a little over a month. Filtration period of ZeroWater. Filter slows down, takes a while to be filtered. Features: official ZeroWater filter 5-stage filtration system, NSF certified, reduces lead, filters heavy metals, removes PFOA, PFOS. Replacement filter, comes in a 6-pack, for ZeroWater pitchers. Improves water taste. The ZeroWater 5-stage water filter is an official replacement filter for ZeroWater pitchers, coming in a convenient 6-pack. It's certified by NSF, meaning it's been tested and proven to effectively remove lead, other heavy metals, and harmful chemicals like PFOA, PFOS from your water. This advanced filtration system not only makes your water safer to drink but also improves its taste. The ZeroWater 5-stage water filter, available in a 6-pack, is a great replacement option that keeps your water tasting clean and pure. It's certified to remove tough stuff like lead, other heavy metals, and harmful chemicals like PFOA, PFOS, bringing your tap water's total dissolved solids, TDS, to 0. This means your water will taste much better for drinking coffee and tea, and you'll save money compared to buying bottled water. Plus, using these filters helps reduce plastic waste. While the filter's life depends on your local water quality, with some lasting a little over a month, they are designed to be easy to install, secure, and leak-free, ensuring a consistent and effective filtration process even if the flow slows down over time.